Do y'all ever buy the thin sliced chicken breast and don't know what the hell to do with them? Well, I did. Apparently you can make chicken cordon bleu roll-ups. I used deli ham, some aged Swiss slices. I laid out my chicken on parchment paper to make cleanup easier and it more sanitary so you don't have chicken all over the place. You put a piece of ham down, cheese down. I tried rolling this with one hand. I had to put my phone down and use both hands. But anyway, after you roll them up, you can secure them with two toothpicks. This is what they look like after they're all rolled up. I scrambled one egg yolk, could have probably used two. And then also some breadcrumbs from the dollar store. Thank you, dollar store. You're going to want to take one of the roll-ups, bathe it in the egg yolks, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs. I'm going to be putting these on a cooking rack that I have sprayed with cooking oil so it doesn't stick. This is what it looks like with the breadcrumbs on it. And another quick little video of coating one in the egg wash. And then dipping it in the breadcrumbs. I like to sprinkle the breadcrumbs over it so it's a little bit easier because this can be messy. You are going to line them up one by one on your cooking rack. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees. You're going to cook them for 45 minutes or until they are done. At the end of the cooking process, I made some mushroom gravy. Yes, I cheated and used a packet. Please don't come for me. It was stupid easy. You're supposed to whisk the dry stuff into the wet stuff, but I did it backwards. It's fine. This is what they look like after they come out of the oven. That cheese is so melty and gooey. This is me ladling gravy over the top of it. I tried to use a spoon to be all fancy and proper, but as you can see, the spoon is just not nearly enough gravy, so snatched the whole pot up and just poured it over the top. I really feel like the gravy completed the dish, gave you a sauce to dip it in, and this is what we had for lunch that day. Really wasn't that hard to make. They were super delicious. I definitely recommend this recipe. Please like and follow for more. Thank you. Have a good day.